The holidays can be so stressful, can't they? Do you lose your sense of peace during the holidays? Do you feel overwhelmed by the long list of gifts, food prep, decorations, cleaning, parties to give and attend, all that crowding into your normal hectic days? Or maybe you're alone and wish you had more to look forward to at Christmas. Do you long to recapture the wonder of childhood? How about we change all that this year? Stop and take a breath with us weekly for Advent Angels Creative Prayer Series in December. Together, we will recapture our centered peace through quiet prayer and gentle body movements. We will focus on short passages of Scripture and let God's messengers speak words of hope that chase away fear and doubt. Recapture the wonder of a child as we play with colorful, creative prompts. We will be invited to share our joy and bless others in simple ways. Using our unique drawing nearer method of combining prayer practices with creative prompts, we will enjoy 4 live workshops together. You will receive our Advent Angels booklet, which includes all 6 activities and Suzanne's original artwork, so you can repeat the process independently as often as you'd like. Each time will feel unique. A Facebook community is available to share your thoughts and creations with other group members. Combined, all these things serve to bring you closer to God's heart, banish the loneliness, and relieve the stress the holidays normally bring with them. Let's keep the meaning of the season before us as we travel together toward Epiphany in January. Click the link below if you are ready to join us now. We only have room for 20 guests, so click the link while there is still room for you. Stay till the end and find out how you can get a discount on our 7-week Lenten series starting in February, based on our popular book of creative, prayerful exercises. Here's how it will work. When you sign up, you will receive a welcome email, which includes the Zoom link and the booklet download, so you can prepare a few simple supplies before class. Workshops will be held Monday nights, December 4, 11, and 18, from 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These will be recorded so you can watch them during the week if you desire. During each workshop, Suzanne and I will guide you through our process of read, reflect, pray, create, and share. We will be using our bodies and our 5 senses to engage our hearts and feel God's presence in our midst. The 4th and 5th sessions are on your own. I will check in with you via email twice during those 2 weeks. For the last session, we will be together again on Zoom on a date and time decided by the group. After each session and independent activity, you are encouraged to share your thoughts and creativity with the Facebook group. At the close of the series, you will be asked to fill out a brief survey asking how we can improve our course and our interaction with you. Feedback is encouraged and rewarded with a 20% discount on our Lenten Drawing Nearer experience in February. The cost of the course is $67. Sign up below before November 25th for a $7 discount. That's quite a bargain, considering one-on-one spiritual direction sessions normally start at $60 each. We only have room for 20 guests, so click the link below while there's still room. Once you receive your welcome email, join and say hi on the Facebook page to meet other class participants and your hosts. If the full course isn't for you, you can purchase the downloadable Advent Angels book for $10. Also, check out the free videos available on our Drawing Nearer YouTube channel by clicking the link here. All are designed to aid you in experiencing God's delight in you. Suzanne and I thank you for coming on this journey with us and pray you will be blessed beyond measure with hope, peace, love, joy, birth, and wonder this holiday season. Bye.